Hey, my name is Dan. I used to work at the biggest dealership in the country. Now I teach fine folks like you how not to get fucked when buying a car. Now, I want to talk to you people that have shit credit score. If you coming from the ghetto, the same place where I unfortunately got raised, if you're coming from, just a fucked up place financially, where there's like unpaid cell phone bills on your credit. There's unpaid cell phones, unpaid fucking couches, unpaid TVs, unpaid cars, unpaid vacations. There's shit ton of stuff that you didn't even like understand that you bought. Maybe you got your credit score fucked up by somebody that like stole your identity. That also happens. Guys, whatever the situation is, I want to show you how to get the best possible price in the car and how to fix your credit score. So first, you probably know your credit score is fucked, okay? You don't need me to be telling you that. So how do you fix that? Number one, you have to go to a repair credit agency. And I would not recommend you go to somebody who is charging you monthly. I would not do that. There's a lot of shit on your credit score. A lot. Okay, and your credit history is fucked up pretty damn bad. So you don't want to be stretching out this process for fucking months. You want to get it over with as soon as possible. So if somebody's charging you months, that's not the best way to go. So you want to find somebody who's going to charge you between $200 and maybe $350. $350 is actually a lot, but $250, $300 is kind of where you should be looking. $200, $300. That's how much it's going to cost you. Then they should have your best interest in their mind. Okay, you gotta call credit repair places in your city. Google that shit, credit repair service. That's it. All you look up is just credit repair, and you're gonna be calling 10, 15, 20 different places. See who is the best. You're gonna get a feel for who's the best, because then this is how you know if somebody truly has your best interests in their mind. They're gonna be telling you all the information up front. You don't need to be fishing anything out. They'll tell you, we'll do this, we'll do this, we'll do this. They'll try to tell you exactly what they're gonna do. They're not afraid to give you all the information up front. They're not being stingy with the information, okay? Next, you're gonna pay them the money and they're gonna go to work. They're gonna make disputes for you. They're gonna start challenging shit for you. They're gonna be working on your side to actually get your credit score up. It's gonna take a month, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, maybe even 6 months in some scenarios. But they're gonna start fixing your credit score. In fact, I recommend that people do this at least once every 2 years. If your credit score is not like 7 something, you should probably do this at least once, because this is one of the best $200 or $300 that you're ever gonna spend in your entire life. If you haven't done this in like 5 years and your credit score sucks, do it. Just fucking do it to get better interest rates on everything. That's number one. Number two, go to YouTube and watch videos on how to grow your credit score, how to increase your credit score. All right? Next, after you're done watching that, you are gonna have a concept of how this shit actually works. And the basics are, you have credit cards that you buy shit on and then you pay them off, and you're gonna have 3 or 4 different credit cards. You don't need to be getting $15,000 limits on them. If you have like $100 on 4 different credit cards, you buy food with this one, you buy gas with this one, you pay your cell phone with this one, and this is automatic. You don't even need to be thinking about this. You just buy, and then at the end of the month you pay that shit off. Real simple. You can even get 0 interest rate credit cards. You just gotta start working on it. It's not something that's gonna happen fucking magically out of nowhere. No one's gonna wake you up at 3 fucking a.m. and tell you, I got your credit score to 730. No one's gonna do that. You're gonna have to do that work yourself, and it is work. Making phone calls is work. So next thing you wanna be doing, which I think is number 3, is get yourself 0 APR credit cards. Get 2 or 3 of them. Number 4, you want to start hacking away at some of your debt, but not at the expense of you making money. So if you have an option of putting extra $100 towards your house payment, or $100 towards making money, some kind of a hustle, some kind of a home business thing. Maybe you know how to repair phones. Maybe you know how to repair cars. Maybe you want to make t-shirts or make vinyl stickers. You know, it doesn't cost a lot of money to start a business these days. All you need is some time, you need some skills, and maybe like $300, $400, $500, maybe $1,000, and you can have some kind of a small business making you money. So I vote for making money instead of cutting down debt. But if that debt is drowning you, I mean, if you're just drowning in debt, you gotta start taking care of the debt. And next, something that is super important, you gotta start working. If you're working 40 hours a week and your credit score sucks and you're just making it by, and you have 2 days of fucking weekends, what the fuck are you all doing on the weekend? The fuck you doing to a ball game? The fuck you doing watching Netflix? The fuck you doing chilling on the fucking couch on the weekend? You got no business relaxing. If your credit score sucks, if you're barely staying the fuck alive, if you're barely making any money, if you're got a kid and your baby's mama is living with you and she ain't working, you gotta have some serious fucking talk with that situation. You gotta figure shit out. Start working 60, 80 hours a fucking week. That's what you gotta be doing. That's the only way you're gonna make more money and you're gonna fix this shitty credit situation that you have. Start making more money. Learn things, learn skills to make money. You know, that's I know this is like way more than what you were expecting, but I'm giving you the whole picture. I'm giving you the whole concept of how to get the best interest rate on the car. If your credit score is fucked up, your credit score is not fucked up just because you didn't pay some bills or whatever. No. The picture is way bigger. Why didn't you pay bills? Because you had no money. Why did you have no money? Because you were fucking up with that money. You were buying something stupid, or you were not making enough money in the first place. You were just being lazy. You were taking weekends off from some kind of minimum wage job. That's a no-go. So, you know, I hope, I'm like sweating over here. Holy shit. I hope that kind of made sense, guys. If you have questions, literally, hit me up. I got my phone number below the video. I can answer your questions, all right? If you have questions that you want answered, text me or put them in the comment section below. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up below and click the subscribe button over my head, or watch one of those 2 videos if you want to see more money saving tips about cars. This is Dan with 60 Minute Car. I'm signing out and I'll see you on the internet.